Hi everyone, back to channel. Today we are going to start the cellular aging. So what is the cellular aging? So as the name says, we can understand that is nothing but decrease in age. So as in humans, the age decreases because as the cell's age decrease. So as age increases in humans, there are more chances to get affected to the diseases. And it's a progressive decline in the lifespan and also the function of the cells. So let us see what is cellular aging definition. Cellular aging is a result of progressive decline in the proliferative capacity and lifespan and functions of the cell, as I said. And it is continuous exposure to the exogenous factors cause accumulation of cellular and molecular damage, and by example by free radicals and reduced capacity to divide, and also the reduced ability to repair the damaged DNA. So as we know, as the DNA is damaged and as the cell cannot replicate furthermore, so the cell stops its cell cycle. So first let us see what happens when DNA damage. So the DNA damage is metabolic in cells accumulate over time. The damage in nucleus and the mitochondria. As normal cells, this can't repair their DNA and decrease the cellular replication. So first let us see what happens in DNA damage. The DNA damage is repaired by endogenous DNA repair, usually normal cells. At enzymes, some damage persists and accumulates. Accumulation of metabolic substance, toxic substance leads to the cellular aging. So this is what they're saying. And next we have the morphology. What we have in morphology is the cell volume was reduced and deformed, and the cytoplasmic pigmentation caused the loss of the organ weight and the stroma hyperplasia. How low protein synthesis, slow metabolism, low function, reduced repair. So all these are like the negative signs, which is nothing but causing the cellular aging. So and we also have some that not only this, next we have the decreased cellular replication. So because of the replication senescence, that as the replication is slowing down, what happens is Werner's syndrome. Werner's syndrome is premature aging, that is the reduce in the in vitro lifespan. So the replicative senescence is progressive shortening of the telomeres and leads to the cell cycle arrest. So what are these telomeres? First we need to know. Actually the telomeres are the short sequence at the end of the DNA. You can assume it. So at the end of the DNA, the ends are where the telomeres are present, which usually ensure to complete the replication, and also they protect the ends from the fusion and degradation. So they are like guarders at the end of the DNA. In some somatic cells replication, telomere is not duplicated and telomeres shorten and ends not protected, so the DNA is broken. This is that is the signal to the cell arrest again. So again leading to cell aging. And next the telomere length maintained. Actually this telomere is also having again protection, that is maintained by the telomerase actually, which adds the nucleotide rapidly, but not in somatic cells, but it adds only in germ cells, stem cells. So somatic cells lack this property and they easily go to cellular aging, because as DNA, for example, once the cell undergoes replication, its ends, that is the telomeres, are lost. So if the telomeres are lost again, if there is telomerase, it could add extra nucleotide, but in somatic cells as telomerase is absent, so it can't add the extra nucleotide and the cell goes to the aging or death process. So actually what are these telomerase? These telomerase are the RNA protein which are adding their own RNA as a template at the ends and protecting the telomere from degradation or cell injury or cell aging. So it is actually present only in germ cells and stem cells, so we need to remember that, but unfortunately also it's absent in somatic cells. And but example is, but in cancer the telomerase is so active, because as it is so active in cancer, cancer cells are mostly so replicating and they are almost like never dying, even we do chemotherapy or different process. So the cancer has the telomerase, so this is the important thing to know. And next we have the defective protein homeostasis. So what is this? Actually the protein content should be also normal. If it is defective, that nothing but leading again to the cellular aging. So what is that? Is the cells are unable to maintain the normal protein homeostasis and decrease in the synthesis and the translation of the protein. So as we know, the proteins are not translated, the amino acids are not formed, then the defective activity of the chaperones. So what is this chaperones? That is which actually promote the normal protein folding. So if there is decreased synthesis or decreased translation, it leads to normal, not but altered abnormal folding, protein folding. And also proteasomes, abnormal proteasomes, that is they destroy the misfolded proteins actually. But as these proteasomes destroy the misfolded as this proteasomes activities also decrease, they are no more destroying the misfold proteins, so that this misfold proteins are promoting. So this misfolding of the proteins is leading again to apoptosis, as is the suicide of the cell. And next, the causes are environmental stress like calorie restriction. Actually most experiments are going on calorie restriction, still it is not accurately known for the cell aging, but they are researching on it. And alter signaling pathways, and also there are biochemical reasons, that is the decreased signaling by the insulin like growth factor receptors, and the reduced activation of kinases, and also the altered transcriptional activity. These are all the causes of cell aging. And so the absence of now let us see environmental stress. Actually the environmental stress activates the proteins known as sirtuin. This also a new kind of proteins of more interest, sirtuin family, like SIRT2, which act as the protein deacetylases actually, and activate the DNA repair. So actually they are promoting not cell aging, they are cell promoting proteins, that is sirtuin. But absence of sirtuin leads to the DNA damage, and again nothing but cell aging. So this is all about important according to Robbins book. We have all this regarding the cell aging. So this is about cell aging.